So I designed this speaker clamp, stand clamp for a speaker stand that I just bought from Amazon. Came damaged, so I'm gonna fix it with this, and this is what it looks like here. Designed it from scratch, and looks like it's gonna work out really well. Here it is printing. Sped it up by 20%, and it's still going to take 4 hours 36 minutes. It was going to take 5 hours 38 minutes, so shaved an hour off by speeding up 20%, and put it at 90% infill because of the amount of plastic. You know, it needs to be strong, so hopefully it comes out, as we say in Illinois, wicked good and works well. So I'll do another video when it's done, if I'm awake tonight. If not, then I'll take it in the morning. But this is going to be printing for another 4.5 hours at least, and we'll see what happens. Alright, one more look at that, and if I uncover the paper that's on my desk, maybe it's for this guy. It's that clamp right there. This one was broken, so I'm printing a new one. The bottom half is a 45mm shaft, the top half is a 41mm shaft. So we'll see what happens. Bye.